Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you all know, my channel is all about fashion, beauty, DIYs, etc. But today I wanted to talk about something else. It's very special to me. It's about self-love. Okay, so as I told you, my channel is all about fashion, beauty. But the other day I was thinking about, if you even if you do fashion, makeup, beauty, and etc., but if you don't love yourself, tell me, if you don't love yourself, what's the point of doing all those things?
So it's wait, I'll show you. I've written all the points here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So I'll read out the points
And then I'll explain you that it will be easy. Okay, so the first thing is, yeah, so loving yourself doesn't include drinking 3 liters of water or 4 liters of water in a day. It's about accepting yourself the way you are, the way your body is. Accept it. Like, if you have got some flaws, don't be like demotivated or something like that, why God made me like this, or don't start complaining. So accept your flaws. When you start accepting your flaws, they are not your flaws. You will be more confident. You should say that I know who I am. I don't care what other people think, and it should not matter what other people think about you, because पता है ना, लोगों का काम है बोलना. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे हो तो भी बोलेंगे, अगर आप बहुत बुरे हो तो भी बोलेंगे. तो जैसे हो वैसे रहो. Accepting your flaws and everything, accepting that you were created with a purpose. You matter. You are worthy enough to live happily in this freaking world. Accept that is the main purpose.
and so before starting this topic,
Self-love, you all know that this term is so hyped up. Like, I can't even tell you. Every day some or the other people say about self-love. You should love yourself. Even I'm saying right now, you should love yourself. And but we listen. I'm not saying we don't listen, we listen, but it's like just we do for some hours, or for 1 week, or for 1 month, and then again you're on the same track. If you get sad, you're on the same track. You start complaining yourself and all those things, start cursing yourself. Don't do that. All of us try to find self-love through internet, social media, and whatnot. But have you ever imagined that this self-love, it is already written self. You can't find that self-love in someone else. You can't go and ask anyone, like, can you please give me self-love? No, you have to do it. So it's basically know your worth. The term says self-love. It's self-worthiness, self-respect, and there's a reason this all starts with self. It's because you can't find them in anyone else. Underline this word, you can't find them in anyone else. Okay, so now if you start loving yourself more than you do to others, people will start thinking that you have got ego, you have got attitude. Let them think. So it's basically, loving yourself is not at all wrong. Let me tell you, it's not at all wrong. You are not wrong. But if you sacrifice your happiness, that might be wrong. That is wrong. So if you're sacrificing your happiness for someone else, maybe that person is very close to you, very close to your heart, but at the end of the day, you are the closest person to yourself, and you are not happy, then what's the point? So what's the point of living in this world, like, if you're not happy? So try to be happy. And if your loved ones can't see you happy, do they really love you? Just think once, do they really love you? And self-love means taking care of yourself by not sacrificing your happiness. Never please for your happiness, please. That's a request from my side to everyone. Never. Your happiness matter the most. You matter the most. You are the precious gem in this world. Okay, for example, my best friend, she's having a very bad day. She fought with someone, and it's my duty to make her happy. If my best friend is sad, I can't obviously I can't see her sad, so I'll entertain her. Maybe I'll order some chocolates, or we'll order some good food. We'll go out and have some golgappa or something like that. Yeah, so obviously we are doing all these things, like why I'm doing all these things, just to make her happy. Okay, so the thing is, this is very simple. Okay, you can do this to yourself too, to just if you are having a bad day, why can't you do all these things to yourself? Why to expect things from others? That's a wrong thing that we are doing. You should understand this point, that person doesn't know what you need, but you don't know now what you need. You know that you need chocolate, so then go and buy chocolates. Why to expect? When you start expecting, you will get more hurt, more, because you start investing emotions and everything. So never expect. Okay, so you should understand that you can only make yourself happy the most. Why? Because you know exactly what you need. So it's pretty simple. It's just that you need to work, you need to do. I hope that example makes some sense. So again, we are talking about self-love. Self-love is not a temporary thing. It's a long process, it's a long run. So if you are having a bad day and you are going and having an entire pizza and everything, so you can only do that once or twice. You can't go every day and have pizza because you are sad. It's just that you're suppressing yourself. Never suppress yourself. Take some time. If you want to cry out. If you want to talk, but never suppress your feelings, never suppress anything, like your emotions. Just you're showing that fake smile. You are proving to whom? You are cheating yourself by showing that fake smile. Never show that. Take some time. Talk to your loved ones, or the elder one, anyone. But after some point of time, be happy. Because you know, if you start having pizza every day, you know that will spoil your health. Subconsciously you know that, but exactly that is making you happy, so you are doing it. But you can't do it for every day. You should understand that. So the practice of self-love is nourishing yourself, nourishing your body, your soul, and accepting. Again, I'm telling you, accepting yourself. Accept that जैसे मैं हूँ, जैसे मुझे बनाया गया है, I am the perfect person in this world. No one is, subconsciously we know no one is perfect, but tell yourself that, dude, I am the perfect person. I can do anything. I am worthy enough to live in this world. Never demotivate yourself. And if someone is demotivating you, उसको निकालो अपने लाइफ से. उसका तुम्हारे लाइफ में कोई रोल नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि he or she is not giving you और मोटिवेटिंग यू. सो उस इंसान के साथ रहने का कोई मतलब नहीं है, कोई भी, नो मैटर हु दे आर. I would like to say that every person on this earth deserves love, no matter what your circumstances are, but you deserve love. You can't compromise your happiness for someone else or for something else. Now let's talk about how to practice self-love. So it's very important, but it's very easy too, but we don't understand that you don't need extra money, you don't need extra time too. कोई होता है कि मनी नहीं तो चलो टाइम तो लगेगा ही. No, you don't need time also. You just need to do one thing. It's very simple. Replace your negative thoughts to positive thoughts. Whenever you get negative thoughts, replace those thoughts with your positive ones. So like if you're having a bad day, or if you fought with someone, you'll be like, oh मेरी ही गलती थी यार, मैंने ऐसा बोला तो इसलिए ऐसा हो गया. Why to blame yourself? Why you are cursing yourself? Maybe it's not your fault. Dude, just forget it. Let it go. There are n number of points or books or articles has been written about self-love, like how you can practice it. But today I'll tell you 5 points I have written down on my laptop. I'll read it out for you. So the first thing is speak kind words. The practice is intended to replace all your negative thoughts. Again, I'm saying replace all your negative thoughts to positive thoughts. Speak kind words to yourself. Never, even at your worst, never curse yourself. We think that it's our fault. Even if it's our fault, let it go. But don't curse yourself. Your body has done so much for you, your soul has done so much for you, and at the end of the day you're cursing that body, you're cursing your soul. What's the point? So never do that. And the second point is be grateful. Okay, so this is also an important point. Be grateful. It's written, so it is, having an attitude of gratitude is an amazing way to practice self-love. So the habit that gratitude should replace is complaining. Again, complaining. We say that we will not complain or something like that, but we do complain to ourselves. Why we are like this? Why we are like that? Why God made me like this? Stop complaining. See, you have got 2 eyes to see, you have got nose to breathe, you have got voice to speak, you have got ears to hear. There are n number of people who don't have all those things. So appreciate it, that you have got it. You have got hands, you have got legs to walk. So appreciate it, dude. Complaining is very easy. I'm telling you, it's very easy. But then after regretting that, oh shit, मुझे ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए था अपने बारे में, you regret it. Why to regret after that? So पहले ही ठीक हो जाओ, सुधर जाओ. So to practice self-love, try to think about your personal attributes that you are grateful for. You must be having a lot of attributes, must be having a lot of talents. You are unique. You should know that you are unique. Okay, you are unique. So maybe I've got something that you don't have, or that you have a lot of things but I don't have. So it's basically like that. So be grateful for that. So the third point is choose positivity. So now this is again a nice point. Choose positivity. People say millions of times that be positive, be positive, be positive. Okay, and if we are like, अगर कोई हमें आके बोल देता be positive, and we are very angry at that point of time, we're like, dude, you don't know what's going in my life, you shut up. Sometimes we say that to our friends, to our family members, or something like that. So somewhere it is true that you are going through something that other person doesn't know, but being positive is very essential. So choose positivity. To me, positivity is having the understanding that everything will work and the way it's supposed to be. So if you just keep going and trying your best, हो जाएगा. अगर देखो, अगर सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझाऊं, अगर तुम्हारा बुरा वक्त है ना, वो आज है यार, कल नहीं होगा। सो जाने दो, क्यों उसको लेके बैठना। सो जस्ट लेट इट गो. Why to pressurize yourself? You have got such a beautiful life. There are people who are suffering from so many diseases. There are so many kids that are suffering. You are not. You might be suffering, but not that much. If you're watching this video, obviously you are grateful that you have got a phone to watch, you have got a laptop to watch, or something like that. So be grateful. So हमेशा याद रखो, ये वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा. So wait for some time, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. And the next point is be intentional. So I've written this. The idea of being intentional is noticing your thought processes, seeing how they can be improved, and then making an effort to change. If you want to change something, if you want to improve something, you can do it. Again, I'm telling you this. There are people who change themselves just for someone else. Okay. So, for example, if someone is fat, okay, I'm just giving an example. If someone is fat and that person will try to change themselves just because he or she want to look good in front of others. Why? If you actually want to lose weight, lose weight for yourself, not for others. तुम पतले हो जाओगे ना तो भी यही बोलेंगे, अरे ये कितनी पतली है. तुम मोटे हो जाओगे तो भी बोलेंगे, अरे ये कितनी मोटी है. Never change yourself. If you really want to change for yourself. If you want, just think again. If you want, then only change, not for others. Because वो आज है, कल नहीं. किसी का कोई भरोसा नहीं है. So now the last point. This is the very most important point that I'm going to talk. It's be you. So this is very difficult to do. I'm telling you, this is very difficult to do, but it's not impossible. Nothing is impossible in this world. For example, I'm a very bubbly, energetic, fun-loving girl, but when I am in groups, I'm reserved, shy. But if I try to change myself, I'll not feel good. So, but change yourself. And one way to practice self-love is to recognize that you are for a reason. Yes, you are for a reason. And your unique talents and abilities are yours. Appreciate it. Make use of that talent, abilities. Just sitting and cursing yourself, कुछ नहीं होगा उससे. And that. So again, jealousy comes. Why to jealous? I don't know why. To whom we are comparing? जिससे तुम jealous हो रहे हो, that person doesn't know that वो तो अपना आगे निकल जाएगा. तुम्हारा क्या? तुम तो jealous होके बैठे रह गए. So if you really want to get there, work. I'm telling you, work and be like that person if you want to. बल्कि उससे ज़्यादा बनो, but jealous करके नहीं, अपनी मेहनत से. So do not waste your precious time and trying to change things that you don't need to change. Why you are wasting time? Time is very precious, and you are sitting and changing yourself that you don't need to. So instead, focus and work on your talents and abilities. So next time when you see yourself in the mirror, just say, dude, so and so, I am pretty, I am beautiful, I am worthy, I deserve respect. If someone is demotivating me, let it go. उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है हमारी लाइफ में यार, जाने दो. You are the precious gem in this world, and no one can take that. No freaking person has got right to take your happiness. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like this video. I know it's a different video, but I wanted to share this one, and that's it. I'm thinking to make more videos like this, the topics that people don't talk about. So this is about self-love. People search on internet, but again, never apply. Even I don't do that. I'm trying to, even I'm practicing it. And I want you also to do it. And again, I'll make more videos on the topic that people don't want to talk, basically insecurity, fear, regret. So most probably my next topic might be about insecurity, so I'll talk about that. And I hope you like this video. And इसमें से ये जितना भी मैंने कुछ बोला, कुछ एटलीस्ट if you are taking 1% or ना, I'll be very grateful. And if you can share this video with your loved ones, with your family, with your father, mother, sister, brother, relatives, everyone, please share it, so that they can also know what is self-love. Sacrificing your happiness is नहीं होता है वो. So please subscribe to my channel. That will mean world to me, because again it will motivate me to do more videos like this. And obviously it's not like मैं सिर्फ यही बनाऊंगी. I'll do my other DIY beauty tips, fashion tips, etc. And that's it. And I'm very thankful that आप लोगों ने इधर ना एंड तक देखा ये वीडियो. And I hope you like this video. So share this video. Let me know in the comment section कैसा लगा ये वीडियो. Give me your self-love tips and everything. I would love to know that. Till then, bye-bye. Take care of yourself and always be happy. Okay, that is the most important. Be happy, and I love you all.